In the bustling city of Ibadan, a woman named Adeola found herself at a crossroads. A secondary school teacher, she was passionate about her work, but often felt the weight of financial strain. The demands of daily life, from paying bills to supporting her family, often left little room for savings. One day, while attending a community seminar on financial literacy, she heard a story that changed her life. A speaker shared how investing small amounts of money could lead to substantial financial growth. Intrigued and inspired, Adeola decided to take the plunge. With just 5,000 naira in her savings, Adeola opened an investment account with a local brokerage. She felt a mix of excitement and fear as she clicked through the online platform, selecting shares in 3 companies she had researched. Her initial investment was modest, but the thrill of ownership ignited a spark within her. Each quarter, as she received her dividends, Adeola felt a sense of empowerment. The small, consistent income provided her with a newfound sense of financial security and the ability to plan for her future. Meanwhile, in Kaduna, a young man named Ibrahim was also on a transformative journey. Working as a mechanic during the day, he had a side hustle selling locally sourced vegetables in the evenings. After years of saving, he had accumulated a modest amount of money. But he knew he wanted to do more than just save. He wanted to invest. Ibrahim learned about agricultural investments through social media, particularly crowdfunding platforms that allowed individuals to invest in farming projects. With his savings, he decided to diversify his income by investing in a portfolio of agricultural ventures. Ibrahim started small, contributing just 10,000 naira to a cooperative farming initiative. The returns were promising, and he quickly recognized that his investments were outperforming his salary as a mechanic. With each successful harvest, he reinvested his earnings into more projects, expanding his portfolio. This not only increased his income, but also deepened his connection to the local farming community, allowing him to contribute to sustainable agriculture while securing his financial future. These stories are not unique. Across Nigeria, ordinary individuals are discovering that investing does not require vast wealth or a degree in finance. The myth that only the affluent can invest is being dismantled by technological advancements that have democratized access to financial markets. Today, anyone can start investing with as little as 1,000 or 5,000 naira, thanks to the emergence of user-friendly investment platforms and mobile applications. Esther, a dedicated secondary school teacher in Lagos, exemplifies this shift in mindset. With a passion for education and a desire to secure her financial future, she consistently invests in a mutual fund. Every month, she sets aside a portion of her salary, no matter how small, to invest in this fund. This disciplined approach has allowed her to build a solid investment portfolio over time. Esther often shares her journey with her students, encouraging them to think about their financial futures early on. In another part of the country, Uche, a core member serving in Enugu, is making waves in the agricultural sector through crowdfunding. With a small amount of money saved from his monthly allowance, he began investing in agricultural projects that promised good returns. Uche discovered that by pooling resources with other investors, he could support larger farming initiatives that would not only yield profits, but also contribute to food security in his community. His commitment to investing in agriculture has not only improved his financial situation, but also fostered a sense of community and collaboration among young investors. Kemi, a talented hairstylist in Port Harcourt, took a different route by leveraging fractional real estate tokens. With her entrepreneurial spirit, she always dreamed of owning property, but felt it was out of reach. However, she learned about fractional ownership, which allowed her to invest in real estate with a minimal initial investment. Kemi started with just 5,000 naira, purchasing a fraction of a property that generated rental income. As her confidence grew, she continued to invest in more fractional properties, diversifying her income streams and paving the way for financial independence. Then there's Tunde, a bank worker in Abuja, who capitalized on an initial public offering, IPO, for a tech company that was gaining traction. With a small amount saved from his salary, Tunde decided to take a calculated risk by investing in the IPO. His research and understanding of the tech sector paid off, as the company's stock soared following its launch. Tunde's experience served as a powerful reminder that informed decisions can lead to significant financial gains, even for those starting with modest means. The journeys of Adeola, Ibrahim, Esther, Uche, Kemi, and Tunde illustrate that financial transformation is possible for anyone willing to take the first step. They embody the idea that wealth can be built through small, consistent efforts rather than relying solely on large sums of money or windfalls. For many, the first step is often the hardest, but it is essential to remember that every journey begins with a single step. For those looking to embark on their investment journey, there are practical steps to consider. First, choose a manageable monthly investment amount. It's essential to assess your financial situation and determine how much you can comfortably set aside each month. Whether it's 1,000 or 5,000 naira, the key is consistency. By committing to a regular investment schedule, you can gradually build your portfolio over time. Next, selecting the right investment platform is crucial. With numerous options available, it's important to choose a platform that aligns with your investment goals and offers transparency, low fees, and user-friendly features. Many platforms cater specifically to small investors, making it easier to get started without feeling overwhelmed. Conducting thorough research is another vital step. Understanding the market, the companies or projects you're interested in, and the potential risks involved will empower you to make informed decisions. Don't hesitate to seek advice from financial experts or join online investment communities where you can learn from others' experiences. Automating your contributions can also simplify the investment process. Many platforms allow you to set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your investment account. This way, you won't have to think about it every month, and you'll be less tempted to skip a contribution. Automation helps instill discipline and ensures that you stay on track with your investment goals. Lastly, practicing patience is essential. Building wealth takes time, and there will be ups and downs along the way. It's crucial to stay focused on your long-term goals and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Remember that the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. As you reflect on the stories of Adeola, Ibrahim, Esther, Uche, Kemi, and Tunde, let them serve as a powerful reminder that financial freedom can start with small, consistent efforts. The world of investing is no longer reserved for the wealthy elite. It is accessible to anyone willing to learn and take action. Your financial future is in your hands, and the journey begins with a single decision to invest in yourself and your dreams. So, take that step today. Open an investment account, set a monthly contribution, and start your journey toward financial independence. The path may not always be easy, but with determination, discipline, and the right strategies, you can transform your financial future and build the life you've always envisioned. If you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button, like it, and share it with those who may benefit from this insightful investment education. See you in our next episode.